What's up, guys? Hope everyone's well. Tinnitus coach Frieda here with the deaf ear and the hearing aid. Just informing you that I published a new video yesterday, and the new video is all about the mindset shift that allows you to start habituating to your tinnitus, going from bothersome to non-bothersome tinnitus, and why it is so important to have that mindset shift, and most important of all, what that means, the mindset shift, of why it is a lot about our reaction to tinnitus and how our nervous system perceives tinnitus, and therefore how bothersome we perceive it to be. So check it out. It's live on my YouTube channel as usual every Friday evening. It brings me a lot of pleasure to be able to do this, to try and be creative and create something that is honest, down to earth, and not some snake oil guru cure. So I hope that you enjoyed it. Check out the video on my YouTube channel, and I wish you all a happy weekend, and actually also hoping that wherever it is more sunny and warmer than it is here in Berlin currently. All right, have a good weekend and check out the video. Cheers, guys.